Personal Rapid Transit. Personal Rapid Transit, or PRT, is changing the way people move around cities. These systems carry passengers directly to their destinations, helping reduce traffic congestion and lowering emissions thanks to dedicated tracks and on-demand service. PRT offers a flexible solution for urban mobility, connecting places like airports, universities, business districts, and smart city hubs with ease. Cities around the world are adopting PRT because it improves mobility, reduces traffic jams, and creates a more sustainable way to travel. While the benefits are clear, faster commutes, cleaner air, and smoother travel, there are challenges too, such as the high cost of building the infrastructure and the limited capacity of these systems. Despite these hurdles, PRT represents an innovative, efficient, and eco-friendly approach to urban transportation, showing how the future of moving people could be smarter, faster, and more sustainable than ever before. GAC Space Concept. The GAC Space Concept is a futuristic electric vehicle created by Chinese automaker GAC, designed to show how cars could become more than just a way to travel. It reimagines driving as a lifestyle experience, offering a cabin that adapts to your mood and needs. Inside, the modular interior can transform into a workspace for productivity, a gaming zone for entertainment, or a peaceful lounge for rest and relaxation. Packed with advanced technologies like autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality, it delivers a smart and connected experience for every passenger. Sustainability plays a key role, with eco-friendly materials and a fully electric powertrain that reduce environmental impact. The sleek, aerodynamic exterior reflects its cutting-edge spirit, featuring bold curves and futuristic lighting that make it stand out instantly. The GAC Space Concept isn't just a car, it's a vision of how comfort, technology, and sustainability can move together into the future. Atlas Nest Docking Station. The Atlas Nest Docking Station is a true game-changer for autonomous drone operations. It provides a safe and secure landing platform where drones can automatically dock, recharge, and deploy again without any human involvement. Designed with weatherproofing and built-in climate control, it ensures reliable takeoffs and landings in rain, heat, or harsh environmental conditions. The Atlas Nest uses advanced software that allows seamless communication with drones, enabling automated system checks, data transfer, and mission planning. Its compact, modular design makes installation easy, whether on urban rooftops or in remote locations. For added protection, enhanced security features such as access control systems and surveillance cameras keep both drones and sensitive data safe at all times. EOS X Space. The EOS X Space is a next-generation spacecraft leading the future of space exploration. Developed through a collaboration between NASA and private industry partners, this groundbreaking vehicle is designed to transform deep space missions with its modular and adaptable structure. Its flexible design allows for easy reconfiguration and upgrades, making it ideal for long-term missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Equipped with advanced propulsion technology and highly efficient life support systems, the EOS X Space ensures reliability and sustainability during extended journeys. Inside, astronauts benefit from a secure, comfortable living environment optimized for both performance and safety. As part of NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and pave the way toward Mars, the EOS X Space stands as a key innovation driving humanity's next great leap into the cosmos. Combining engineering excellence with visionary design, it marks the dawn of a bold new era in deep space exploration. Taoyuan Museum, MVRDV revealed its proposal for a major new museum in Taiwan, earning third place in an international design competition. Located near Taipei and the national airport, Taoyuan has grown rapidly, and this new cultural landmark aims to strengthen the city's identity and serve its expanding community. The design, created with JJP architects and planners and Topatech One, covers 29,000 square meters and draws inspiration from Taoyuan's iconic peach blossom symbol. The master plan lays out a large, thoughtfully organized complex divided into themed rooms, each holding different parts of the museum's overall program. At the heart of the project is the museum itself, positioned within the vibrant pink, cherry-themed zone. Here, a cluster of human-scaled buildings creates an inviting and approachable cultural space, blending symbolism, architecture, and community-focused design into one unified vision. Hyper Sting. The Hyper Sting is a bold supersonic passenger aircraft concept created by Spanish designer Oscar Viñals, aiming to completely redefine long-distance air travel. Designed to transform transatlantic flights, the aircraft would stretch an impressive 328 feet long, nearly twice the size of the Concorde. It is planned to carry between 130 and 170 passengers while reaching an astonishing top speed of 2,664 miles per hour, roughly 3 times the speed of sound. For comparison, the Concorde was about 200 feet long, carried 100 passengers, and topped out at 1,354 miles per hour. The Hyper Sting's most radical feature is its theoretical cold fusion nuclear reactor, which would power 2 ramjet engines and 4 next-generation hybrid turbojets. If achieved, this system could push the aircraft to Mach 3.5, making it the fastest commercial passenger plane ever imagined. Inspired by the Concorde, its sharp, sting-like nose is designed to precisely control airflow across the wings and central fuselage for extreme high-speed efficiency. Giraffe Nap 1. The Giraffe Nap 1 by Kyocera Plywood Corporation is a futuristic nap pod designed to let you rest comfortably while standing upright. It features soft padding that supports your head, hips, shins, and feet, allowing you to take short, refreshing naps without losing proper posture. Inside the pod, users can adjust lighting, air circulation, and soundproofing to create the perfect peaceful environment. The design comes in 2 versions, Forest and Spacia. The Forest model feels warm and natural, like a cozy wooden sauna, while the Spacia version offers a sleek, space-age atmosphere. Both models include adjustable armrests and a removable, washable seat for extra comfort and hygiene. Ideal for offices, cafes, and even airports, the Giraffe Nap 1 aims to make quick naps more relaxing and practical than ever. Pre-orders for this innovative sleep pod began on January 23, 2024, through the company's official website. Barbagallo X01. The Barbagallo X01 is a dream machine for anyone who wants the perfect mix of a bicycle and an electric vehicle. This modern velomobile is designed to be stylish, practical, and fun to ride. It comes with a spacious trunk, a detachable battery, and even a solar panel for extra convenience. The X01 is eco-friendly, completely silent, and offers an enjoyable, smooth riding experience. It can reach speeds of up to 32 km per hour and travel as far as 70 km on a single charge, making it great for daily commutes or weekend adventures. You can also customize it with 5 different color options to match your style. Whether you need a reliable urban transport, a relaxing recreational ride, or a vehicle for exploring new places, the Barbagallo X01 handles all 3 roles effortlessly. EDAG City Bot. The EDAG City Bot is a revolutionary concept vehicle designed to completely change the way we move through cities. Created to meet the growing demands of urban life, this fully autonomous and modular machine can handle multiple roles with ease. Its flexible design allows it to switch between passenger transport, cargo delivery, street cleaning, and even emergency services, all using the same intelligent base. Powered by advanced AI and high-tech sensors, the City Bot can navigate crowded streets safely, communicate with other vehicles, and respond to real-time city conditions. Its electric powertrain makes it environmentally friendly, helping reduce emissions and traffic congestion. The sleek, futuristic design not only looks stunning but also represents a new vision for cleaner, smarter, and more connected cities. The EDAG City Bot isn't just a vehicle, it's a complete urban mobility solution built to make city living smoother, greener, and far more efficient for everyone. Ocean Sun. The Banja pilot system is an innovative floating solar energy project installed on Albania's Banja reservoir in collaboration with Ocean Sun and Statkraft. The project features 4 massive circular floating platforms, each measuring 70 meters in diameter and producing 0.5 megawatts of power, giving the entire system a total capacity of 2 megawatts. What makes this project unique is Ocean Sun's patented design, which uses standard silicon solar panels placed on a thin flexible polymer membrane supported by durable high-density polyethylene rings. This smart setup improves cooling for the solar panels, helping them operate more efficiently while also lowering installation costs. Built and commissioned between April and December 2022, the floating solar system is expected to generate around 3 gigawatt-hours of clean electricity every year, making it a major step forward in sustainable and renewable energy technology. PESAH-2 Loco. The PESAH-2 Loco is a groundbreaking locomotive powered by hydrogen fuel cells. It represents PESA's bold step toward bringing eco-friendly technology into the rail industry, and it's the first of its kind in the world. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, the H2 Loco has the strength to pull trains weighing up to 3,200 tons. Its hydrogen system delivers 650 kilowatts of power and can run for up to 15 hours before needing a refill. The locomotive's design places the driver right in the center of its sleek, modern cabin. It also comes equipped with advanced features like autonomous driving and anti-collision systems, making it especially effective for shunting work in green ports and intermodal terminals, all without producing harmful emissions. When it officially launches in 2024, the PESAH-2 Loco is expected to cost around $5 million. For those seeking a clean, reliable, and powerful shunting locomotive, the H2 Loco is a future-ready solution. Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban. AI hits the road. Last year at the Geneva Motor Show, Goodyear introduced a bold concept, the Eagle 360, a spherical tire connected to the car through a magnetic levitation suspension system. In theory, this set of tires would allow a vehicle to move in any direction, even sideways. At this year's show, Goodyear has taken the idea further with the Eagle 360 Urban, now equipped with an artificial intelligence system. Like its predecessor, the 360 Urban features a sensor-covered, bionic rubber exterior. This smart skin can continuously monitor road conditions and automatically adjust the tire tread. The tire's surface adapts through electrically controlled actuators beneath the rubber. In wet conditions, the actuators pull the tread elements inward to create dimples for better grip. On dry roads, they push the elements outward to form a smooth surface, optimizing performance for every driving condition. Pranath Raptor 100. The Pranath Raptor 100 is a powerful machine built to handle tough terrain with ease. Thanks to its remote-controlled operation and flexible design, it can maintain green spaces, carry out forestry work, mulch trees and brush, and operate safely on steep or uneven ground. It's designed to perform all of this without putting operators at risk. The machine features a clean fix reversible fan and a durable dock engine that produces 75 horsepower. Its remote control is ergonomically designed for comfort and precision, and it comes equipped with a hydraulic rope winch for added versatility. The track width and mulcher lifting height can be adjusted to fit different work conditions, making it adaptable for various tasks. Strong, reliable, and extremely safe, the Raptor 100 is an ideal partner for professionals in forestry or landscaping. And yes, if you were wondering, this impressive machine is indeed a Pranath Raptor. Shiku Metaverse. Imagine a world where the virtual and physical blend together seamlessly. That's the vision behind the Shiku Metaverse. It's an evolving digital platform designed to let people work, play, and connect in immersive 3D environments. Picture creating your own personalized avatar, attending a virtual concert with friends from different parts of the world, or holding a realistic business meeting inside a detailed virtual conference room. Shiku Metaverse aims to make all of that possible. But it's not just about entertainment, it's about building a thriving digital economy. Users can own and trade virtual assets, buy and sell digital goods, and even design their own interactive spaces within the platform. Though still under development, Shiku Metaverse represents a major step toward the future of human interaction, one where creativity, connection, and technology merge to reshape how we experience the world around us.